What's up everyone, welcome back to NZ Electronics Repair. So today we got this MacBook A2337 and in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace the logic board on this device. So grab yourself a P5 screwdriver and remove these 10 P5 screws from the back panel. After that, grab yourself a suction cup and lift the back cover. So this is the battery for this MacBook. There's a lock like this, you have to pull it up. And that's how you can disconnect the battery. So now we start removing the logic board. First we will go ahead and disconnect the charging port and remove it using a T4 screwdriver. Disconnect it using a plastic prying tool. And next you can disconnect the speaker. Disconnect this cable as well. Then you have to remove the screws for the logic board. Along the way, I will also disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna using a pair of tweezers. This is the cable for the trackpad. Let's disconnect this as well. Then after that, you have to disconnect these two screws. Then you have to remove the cover for the audio board connector. You have to use a T3 screwdriver for that one. So now we have to disconnect these three connectors. This one is for the Touch ID. The Touch ID cable has some adhesive under it, so be careful to gently peel it. Then you have to disconnect the connector for the audio board. And you have to disconnect the speaker as well. After that, you have to disconnect the connector for the screen as well. And you can carefully take it out. Right, so this is how you can remove the logic board on a MacBook A2337. Now I will show you the reassembly as well. Carefully align the logic board into its place and then start connecting all the cables. Make sure that every screw goes back to the same place where it came from to avoid damaging your MacBook. That's how you can replace the logic board on your MacBook A2337. So if you got a MacBook which is liquid damaged and not turning on and you're looking for a logic board replacement, you can give us a call at 0800 585 222. We got 4 stores across Auckland. You can find us at Milford, Epsom, Botany and Silverdale, and we can fix your MacBook at a very affordable price. Thanks for watching.